Gold has started the week on an almost flat note where it has failed to break above 2032-33 and right now getting a support at 2026-24 zone. Now, what to expect from gold today? Can we expect it to rise or is it again going to trade bearish and hit the bottom of the channel? What is going to be our strategy trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment, and do join the channel memberships to get additional benefits. Let's start first to look into hourly charts. On the hourly charts, we can see double bottom, double bottom. What has happened? See, after the bearish move, it has seen a rise. And now one must look at these candles. 28-32 zone. Previously, we were looking at this zone as a great support. Now, this zone has become a greater resistance for gold. Thus, again, if you see gold staying above 20-30-32 zone, we can initiate a buying position here and expect it to rise. See how many candles have got the resistance suggests that it has to break beyond this in order to confirm the bullish move. At the same time, on the downside, see double candles with double bottom. And yes, this first at 24, very strong support here. And then below 24 is where little bearishness can be expected. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is bearish. RSI almost trading flat. Coming to 2 hour. Similar is the observation on the 2 hour chart. See what has happened. Prices have just converged towards the 20 and 50 period moving average here. And a possibility of a breakout exists only if it stays above 20-30-32 zone. We can initiate a buying position for 2036, 2040-42 as the next resistance. After that, sky's the limit. The stochastic flat. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. It has not yet crossed over. A crossover here, see, almost 60% of the retracement, and if it crosses over here, that will be the call for the bears here. RSI almost flat. Coming to 3 hour. Likewise on the 3 hour charts, see resistance here very strong. Multiple candles getting rejected here at 20-30-32 zone and now trying to retrace. At the same time, it is getting support from the 20 period moving average. The moving averages have started to converge but not yet crossed over. A crossover will confirm the bullish reversal, else it is still trading in the bearish zone. Look at the movement here on the 3 hour chart. See to travel towards the bottom of the channel. Almost from here to here, this is almost 45-50% of the retracement as it is already achieved 2040 levels. Now, what is happening right now? You can see lower highs, higher lows. It is trying to consolidate. Where is the support here? 2010-2008. Very strong support exists there. Stochastic, comfortable. It has dropped a bit. MACD is in green. It is trying to converge but not yet crossed over. RSI looking downwards. And on the 4 hour charts, one must look at the preceding candle. It started at a high and it moved towards the high and have reversed. Yes, it is closed in red. Now this candle opened in and achieved the lows and now trying to rise. So yes, it is trying to stay in a swing zone as long as, see, below 24 as also you have to be careful. 2018-2022 zone, very strong support zone. 2028-2032, very good resistance zone. Thus, as long as it stays between this zone, we have to be careful with the positions in gold. Moving averages have started to converge but have not yet crossed over. Stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD is in green. Though if you look at the slope here and here, this is a gradual rise. Thus it suggests it is retracement and possibility of a crossover exists. However, we have to wait for it to crossover. RSI flat. Coming to the daily, and before we look into the daily charts and I give you the trading tips for the day, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my 28th mentorship batch commencing on 29th of January. Register for it now itself. Limited seats are available. Also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. For details on both, you can reach out to me via Telegram or email, and more details can be found on my platform www.forexfunda.com, where you can also register for the webinar series where we discuss what to expect from the markets in the coming week. Also, it comes with 2 free consultations, one-to-one consultations with me. If you need any guidance or consultation with respect to your existing position or a futuristic prediction, you can connect with me. Visit the platform Forex Funda, join the free Telegram channel to get the live updates. Let's start now on the daily. See, first of all, on the daily charts, the week has started with a slight bearish note. Then it has traveled to the little highs, formed a good wick, and now looking downwards. At the same time, one must note that Yes, it is looking downwards. There is a good support here at from 2024-25 zone, and as long as 2018-2022 levels are respected, we should be cautious with the selling entries in gold. Only below 2018 we can expect that we might be looking forward to the bottom here at around 2010 levels. Now, if you look at the movement in gold for last couple of months or more, you will find gold has been trading in this channel here, to the highs, to the lows, to the highs, to the lows, to the highs, to the lows. And this is higher highs and higher lows, suggesting that it is still trading in this bullish channel. Also, now let's come to the near term chart. See a good rise, then lower lows, lower highs, forming a nice flag. Thus, it needs to break beyond 2050 and then 2060-65. If at any point of time gold is seen trading above 2060-65, sky is the limit. We will look forward to 2100, 2122, 2120 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, RSI is flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 2032. In fact, those who want to risk a little can shift it for 20 pips earlier, that is 2030 levels. You can initiate a buying position, but then 35, 36 is the first resistance zone. We have to be watchful there. Then 40, 42, and if it stays above 40, 42, we will look forward to 48, 50, or rather I will say 48, 52 levels as the next target. Yes, this time if it stays above 40, 42 levels, certainly we are going to look forward to a stronger bullish momentum towards 50, 52 levels, and beyond that, sky is the limit. Yes, it is going to be treated for a breakout, and then we will look forward to 65, and then sky is the limit. On the downside, yes, there is still bearishness. Do not think that it has turned bullish. As long as it stays below 20, 40, 42 levels, we are not going to treat gold as bullish. And on the downside, you can sell here at 2024 with a caution note that 2018, 2022 levels are going to remain a greater support zone. Then below that 2014, and after that, see 2008, 2010, this is the support zone for the day. Gold should not break below 2008, 2010 zone. If it does break below this zone, then this time we may look forward to 1997 and 2000 levels. Below 1997, 1980 is the next target. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my webinar series, Signals channel. Join the free Telegram channel to get the live updates, and do visit the platform forexfunda.com. See you again before the US session with more latest updates. Thank you.